I was pretty much ready to walk away from law practice altogether. It was not until I found myself sitting across from Brian Kim that I finally felt that there was some hope. I started my career just defending individual doctors against medical malpractice suits. And in the early days, I really loved the work. I felt that I was doing good. As I became more senior in my career, I was assigned fewer and fewer of those individual doctor cases that I enjoyed so much, and more big hospital cases. What I found over the years is that hospital corporations are just like any other corporation. Their mission, number one, is to make money. Corporations sometimes cut corners to do that. What I was being asked to do over and over again was to defend cutting corners. And I knew that that was not the right thing to do. I began to look for something else, a job where I could pick and choose my clients and feel good about the work I was doing. It was really difficult to find. I looked at other plaintiff firms, other defense firms, and really found that a lot of businesses, a lot of law firms also just want to go after money. I had come to terms with sort of the understanding that maybe law practice just wasn't for me, and maybe I would never find that. That is really what led me to find myself at a lunch meeting one day with Brian Kim. Truly, it was probably a last-ditch effort to explore staying in the law at all. I sat across from him that day, and I knew I was looking at someone that finally shared my values. And that day, Brian did something really important for me, which was to offer a promise. He told me that if I was willing to come and work with him, that I would never have to work on a case that I didn't believe in 100%. That is what I was yearning to hear, but didn't think I'd ever hear. So I took a leap of faith that day, and I joined Brian and Adam, and I've never looked back. Every time I walk into a courtroom now, I believe in the case and the client 100%. Every single time I'm in a courtroom, it means that there is a large corporation, 99% of the time it's a multi-billion-dollar insurance company, that is not doing the right thing. There's a common misconception that plaintiff lawyers chase after individuals, their livelihood, small businesses, and I can tell you I have done that 0 times as a plaintiff lawyer. It's not what we do. If we are in a courtroom, it's against a massive insurance company every time, and there is always a multi-million-dollar policy at play. It is my professional mission to hold corporations accountable when they cut corners, when they hurt people. That is my mission as a lawyer now, and I know it's the right one.